We have Plunkett on his KTM. And second place is Basham, and third is Coon on his Suzuki. Second place is Basham, and third is Coon on his Suzuki. Here goes the move for first. Plunkett pulls out a little bit of a lead again. Chad Basham out there, and it made me think when I first started racing back in 1973, you know, we had a lot of different brands of bikes out there, Euro. And my point is, I'm looking at his brake light. I'm watching it come on as he goes in the corners, because I can remember my very first race. There he goes. He's going around. For first, he gets by the first place rider. So now what we're looking at is we're looking at Basham at first. So now what we're looking at is we're looking at Basham at first, and we're looking at Plunkett in second on his KTM. But back to my story, I can remember being out on my very first race behind some guy. He was born in '72. Oh, brother. Okay, looking out here, we're doing really good. Old Basham's in first place. We still have Plunkett in second on the KTM. These three guys, we're looking at three different age ranges, but you know what's really neat is they're all out there competing against each other. This time, and then in third place, Coon, just kind of still hanging at the same distance behind the other two guys. White flag left. We're looking at Basham still in first place. Basically, it's been the same order since lap number 3. I tell you, like I said, these quads, heavy things to move around, I'd be pretty much hurt by the time I'd be at the end of this moto. First place goes to Basham.
Oh, wow, he did jump that. Okay.
Kawasaki of Basham. Thought he was going to go ahead and flip that thing over on its side. He's really trying to run her there on that KTM Plunkett. I tell you, talk about no fear out there after throwing that thing sideways and almost watching him get thrown off the side. He's trying to push that issue where he can take that first place away from Plunkett out there. All right, I hope I have all my racers. He started. miles less than that big old Kawasaki. Looks like it's going to hold off for at least another quarter or two. All right, we're looking at the... Tell you one thing, watch it. Okay, it finally happened. Bashman gets around the KTM Plunkets. Sorry I didn't see what happened there, but now we do have a new leader here on the last lap. Let's see if he crosses it up. Maybe he'll scrub it off on the jump.